Mom! Dad! I got an A on my test today!
Oh, really? Let me see. This is excellent, Lily.
Congratulations! You did very well, and we are happy.
This is good, but you can still do better next time.
Better? I really tried hard for this test.
You are very close to A+. Just try a little more.
Review your lesson again. We believe you can improve next time.
Okay, I will try.
Anna, my sweet daughter, I have a special gift for you.
A gift? Really? That sounds exciting.
Let's go to the mall and get it together.
Really? Can Lily come with us too?
No, Lily needs to study more. She should stay home.
You can come next time when your grades are better.
Okay. They are happy with Anna, not me. They only care about my grades. Maybe I am not good enough. I am so happy! This is my favorite place!
Look at this dress. It is very beautiful.
Wow, I really like it. It looks so pretty.
Then we will buy it for you.
You look very happy. That is enough for me. Dad, look over there. Those shoes are so nice.
Yes, they are. Do you want to try them?
I think they would look perfect on Lily. Can I take them for her, Dad?
Of course. That is very kind.
This is for Lily. I hope she will smile.
Okay, let's go home now.
It is done. I worked hard today. Maybe I can help clean it. Mom and Dad will be happy with this. I clean every corner. I do not miss anything. I wash every plate. I want everything perfect. I feel a little tired, but it is okay. The house looks so clean now. Everything is perfect.
Lily, where are you?
I am here.
Did you clean this all by yourself?
Yes, I cleaned everything and finished homework. I tried to do everything well today.
It looks good. This is what you should do.
Are you happy with me now?
Yes, but remember, you still need A+.
Next time, try harder and do even better.
Okay, I will try harder. Lily, this is for you. For me? Yes, I chose it for you. It is so beautiful. I really like it. No one has given me something like this. Thank you. I am really happy. Lily, can I ask you something? Yes, what is it? Why do you try so hard all the time? Why don't you rest and relax a little? I want Mom and Dad to be proud. I want them to smile at me. It's okay, Lily. I'm right here with you. I just don't know what to do.
Anna, you should go to sleep now.
I still need to study more. I must keep going. I must get A+ and make them happy.
She studies every night without resting.
She does not take any breaks at all.
That means she is serious. That is good.
But But she looks very tired. She never smiles.
She will understand later. This is for her future.
I did it! I got A+. They will be proud of me now.
My head feels heavy. Lily, I do not care about grades. I just want you to be healthy.
This is our fault. We pushed hard. We did not listen to her.
Do you really love Lily?
Yes, of course we love her.
Then why did you hurt her like this? Do you love her or her grades?
I did not understand her pain before.
I thought this was love, but I was wrong.
This is not love. This is pressure and fear. She was afraid of disappointing you.
Lily, listen to me. You do not need to be perfect.
You do not need A+. You are already enough.
You do not need to prove anything.
Really? Yes, we are sorry. We love you, not your grades.
I just wanted you to be proud of me.
We are already proud of you, Lily.
This feels different. It feels warm and peaceful.
Let's cook together today.
Let's play together. I feel safe with you. We have a surprise. We are coming. Lily, this is for you. For me?
Yes, just because you are our daughter, not because of your grades.
I do not know what to say. I never thought I could receive this.
Open it, Lily!
It is beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. I feel truly loved. Please share your thoughts. What makes you feel loved?